Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Now we are going to discuss some NVL Nuvola news. So we've got quite a bit staked, and we're also gonna get into some of the roadmap news as well. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe if you want to get loose again. So we're going to go and set up Nuvola.com or NuvolaDigital.io and get things organized. So if you guys have not checked it out already, we've already done videos on this. So if you guys go to the channel, you can go here, check out my over dramatic thumbnail, Bitcoin crashing. I don't care, guys. Like, I got to get the subs up, and I don't know, it's just kind of fun. So if you put in NVL, you guys can learn step by step how to stake your tokens. So right now you can stake your assets, NVL, on their platform, and I have links for you to help you out. So if you guys go to the Crypto Moose link tree, you're going to notice, hey, I can pick up a hardware wallet swiftly, Tangem, Trezor, Ledger, whatever it may be. But go under NFTs, you can see Copy file nodes, Data Realms, and if you scroll under the staking and delegating, you have a direct link to the Nuvola staking. So I should have one here. I wonder if I should just have to connect my wallet. I think it's just with my hot wallet. So I think that's what the Moose is doing. And comment down below, are you excited about these updates that we're going to get into in this video? So here we got 900 NVL. I don't have a lot. In fact, this is all that I have right now. But here you can see kind of your rewards distribution. So I'm only going to be earning a bit, but it's definitely fun. And I'm looking to add more to my position. Okay, so the NVL staking, if we go to the Twitter, this is where you can see since staking went live, an impressive 71% of NVL in circulation has already been staked. So only 2 days remain to stake your NVL. So you've got 2 days left to stake your NVL. That's to be eligible for the accumulative retroactive reward. So if you want to get the bonus rewards, whatever it may be, it's always worth just getting in immediately. And again, like, manage your expectations, right? Like, the goal, what I talk about a lot on this channel, in particular with initial stake pool offerings, is, you know, you're taking very little risk to earn a massive potential reward, right? So it's definitely worth it, right? The worst she can say is no, right? So it's kind of interesting that way. Yeah, so this is a really cool little post here. So 71% staked, 11,179,000. That's just a little bit less than what the Moose has in his fourth bank account. So let's check out the roadmap, NVL roadmap, and then I have another thing to share with you guys. So by the way, NVL, it's a DPIN project, a DPIN aggregator. So you hold the NVL token, and what they do is they partner with other projects, and they help with the staking, or, you know, you could imagine like how difficult it is to run nodes and do not only the hardware side but the software side. So by holding the NVL tokens, you get a little bit of what they stake, right? So I've done videos on this, guys. Go to the channel, type in NVL, you'll learn all that. But I want to show you the roadmap. The roadmap's very nice. I've been impressed. It's cool to see things coming out. So they've got Iagon partnership. So right now, NVL, they have the best, most efficient, I believe, running Iagon nodes. So you don't have to learn to run a node. You don't need to learn all that. You just pick up NVL and you get your percentage of the rewards. And by the way, those that are not staking and have the token, those accumulated rewards for staking, the ones that aren't staking, that's going to go to you. So it's worth it. Yeah, Copy partnership, Minutes Network. I haven't researched that at all. But NuvolaDrive, this is cool. So if we go back to the Twitters, they did announce this a couple days ago, I believe it was. Should be up here somewhere. But there is the NuvolaDrive. Maybe I'll have to go back. So basically you'll be able to have like this nice software and layout for your storage. So NuvolaDrive update beta Q3. So beta is coming out to Q3. Our mobile storage app for iOS and Android has been making incredible strides in development with more inclusive and user-friendly or user-driven features. The moose still has an eye infection, so it's actually hard to even see. We plan to be a viable competitor to the major centralized cloud storage services. On our back end, it will be powered by Igon official nodes. So taking a look at the image here, decentralized storage powered by Igon nodes. This looks sweet. Okay, so all about decentralization, right? Data is somewhat of the new oil. It's a massive area for crypto, right? A lot of it is owning your own data, right? Like you want to own your own data in a decentralized fashion, and it helps support crypto. That's cool. So advanced sync options. So you have the mirror, upload, download, synced files based on file format, name, file sizes. So it's going to look swift. The UI looks great. Looks like you have a little profile picture. Enhanced security, maintaining privacy and security through encryption by utilizing decentralized storage. So it's very interesting. So if you don't want Google to have all your data, right, because that's what they're doing with your data, they're definitely keeping it, selling it, whatever it may be. Decentralized storage is a massive deal. So, you'll be able to utilize this in the future if you want, right? So quit paying Google, quit paying Amazon. You could start paying Nuvola and holding the tokens and earning the rewards from all this too. So there's a lot happening there. I think Nuvola, just a phenomenal project. We could actually go to the token price as well. I believe it's on CoinGecko only, so let's find that out right here. By the way, this video is probably out Wednesday or Friday, so you know. So here we'll go NVL, Nuvola Digital, 34 cents. It's taken a hit with everything else recently, but on the year, it's crushing. So the moose was not even in the ISPO. I didn't receive any free tokens. I picked some up myself. So comment down below. Do you have any NVL? Where do you see this project in the future? Right now, we're looking at a 7 mil market cap. I could see this getting pretty damn high. This is going to be a 50 to 100x potential, but most likely a pretty easy 10x. And then if we get into a bull run, it could be massive by 2025. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.